So you can see over here that I got a table as a PDF document and I want to export this as an Excel file. In order to do that, I can go into file right here, and over here in export to, you get an option called spreadsheet. So you can export this as an XML spreadsheet 2003. So if you're exporting it for all computers with Office 2003 and below, you can select this document right here. If you want to export it into new Microsoft Excel worksheet or XLSX format, you select this. So I want to export this as a newer format, so I'm going to click on Microsoft Excel worksheet. Once I do that, you can see that I have an option to export this. You can view the result after you publish it. So I'm going to keep this over here. And over here, I got settings. Inside the settings, you can see that I can create a single worksheet for the document. So even if I have multiple pages, and if I want to keep all the information in one of the sheet, I can simply select this. If I want to create a worksheet for each of the table available in the document, I can select this one. And if I want to create a worksheet for each page, I can use this one. In my case, I only have one page itself, so I'm going to create a single worksheet for the document itself. You can also detect decimal and thousand separators using regional settings, but this is something for future lessons right here. You can also recognize text if needed and set the language. So once you're happy with what you want, you can simply press OK right here. So I'm going to select this out and I'm going to type tube and I'm going to save this out. So let me just save it. It is exporting the content, and over here you can see that now I have it as an Excel document right here. So you have it, everything as a table, editable right there, all the formats maintained, and there you go. So that is how you can export your PDF document to Excel sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.